Hello again and welcome to my part 3 of the username networking, basically username, what the, yeah, Unity the networking multiplayer system. So, in this tutorial we will be doing some more interesting things. So first of all, let me say something about the networking. You will have to host the server and the players will just join into your server, yeah, and they will just create some rooms and they will be able also to join other rooms to play with their friends or alone. So yeah, you have to keep in mind that you will host the server or you will have to pay a server to host it. Anyways, by that I want to say I mean that the players won't have to create their own server, and they won't have to create ports and port forwards and stuff like that, because some people don't know many things about port forward. Anyway, so keep in mind that you will have to host a server. Okay, let's go to our multiplayer manager script, and let's say that you will host a server and you will have a specific username. So we will set, for mine, I will set my specific username to admin01, for example, and yeah, so let's do that. Let's create a new variable to check if you are the owner of the server. So variable I'm the owner, and this will be boolean, and go on from function start and say if username is equal to admin01, then I'm the owner, yeah. Else, let's do that, set it to false, and let's check out, and make sure this username is exactly equal to this username, else it won't work. So join lobby, admin01, continue, and here you see I'm the owner. If I change my username to something like admin02 and press continue, you will see that I'm not the owner. So that's what we want, because we have different buttons and stuff like that for the server. So let's do if I'm the owner. Let's add a simple GUI label, yep, that label, server owner here. Server owner here, wait. So now we want to create some new buttons. The first will be start server. The second will not be, yeah. So we need to start server. This will be under the logout button. So if I'm the owner. Yes, I'm the owner, and this, yes, GUI layout. Okay, button. Start the main server, and if I'm not the owner, I'm a single user, then there will be a button which will be about join the main server. So join main server, join main server, join into the main server. No. Okay, good. So join lobby and start the main server. If our username wasn't admin01 and it's admin02, join to the main server. Great. So now we have to create a function which will create our server. So function start main server. Oops, yeah. So it is network that initialize server, and as you see we need the connections, the max connections, the port, and the useNAT as a boolean. So let's add the max connections to 32. The port whatever you want. I will put 250.250.01. And remember you have to open a port on your router. You can go on www.portforward.com, I think. Let's check it out a bit. Yeah, and here are all the routers, and it will tell you how to port forward. Anyway, so and not here we need the have public IP address. So not network, not have public IP address. I really don't know what this thing does, but I use it on every project I made for multiplayer. So let's debug a message. Oops. Server started. And here let's create a if statement that checks if it you don't have hosted any servers, because think of you have a server and you press the start the main server button. Yeah, basically it won't create the server, the unit won't allow you, but let's just hide it. If not, network that is server, and if network that is server, oops, server, let me check something. Great. So let's create a button to stop the server. GUI layout dot button stop server. Just have to type network that disconnect. Great. Start the main server. So if you press the start the main server button, it will call this function. Great. And let's go over here on the I'm not the owner, and type in if not network that is client. That means that it checks if the user has connected to the server or not. If he has, it will disable this button. Let's check that. So join lobby, admin 01, continue, and start the main server. Great. So you can see server started, and now I'm hosting a server. That's pretty cool. And let's stop the server, and yeah. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching my video, and hope you like it. See you later.